Hi guys, good morning. It's a Saturday morning and I just woke up. I haven't washed my face or anything, so forgive that mess, the situation that you're seeing here. I don't know, I just woke up and I decided I feel like eating yam and egg sauce. You know, that spicy egg sauce with a lot of onions, but I don't have yam in the house. So I was like, okay, I'll just do the sauce anyway and probably use potato chips. So I'm just fixing this lovely spicy egg sauce with crinkled potato chips for us to eat. Sauce takes just 5 minutes to make because I like it tasting a little bit fresh, so I don't cook it for too long. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please just click the button below. You know you want to, you don't want me judging you, so do click it, click. Show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Follow me on other social media platforms if you like what you see, and then I'll be posting lots of videos about cooking and lifestyle. So yeah, just do it and just adventure with the J's. Okay, so yeah, let's go into it. Okay, disclaimer, this is how I do my egg sauce, tomato egg sauce. This is not the only way to do tomato eggs. Don't come for me. I always give out this disclaimer. I'm not a chef, I'm not a cook, I'm just a Mama J. I'm just a mom trying to eat. Okay, so let's do this. Just 5 minutes. This is going to be ready. Into the hot pan, I'm going to be adding vegetable oil. I'll let it heat up for 30 seconds. The pan is already hot. Then add your onions. I'll saute the onions for just another 30 seconds. As I said, this is how I do it. This is not the only way to do it. You can do it as you like, okay? This is my way. If I was making this for my children, I would blend these onions or I'll cut it even finely. So I'm adding the hot dogs in because I want it to brown a little bit. You don't have to add it at this time. You can add it anytime you like. So that's my hot dogs in. Knock cube in. A little bit of salt. You just chuck everything in. Really, it is so straightforward. Even my James can do this. It's just that they're all in bed. They watch the movie till very late. If not, I would have asked Jaina to help me make this, or Jaden, really, because it's so easy. It's so easy to make, trust me. So there goes the chopped tomato. One pan. I'll let that because I don't like the tomatoes to be too fresh. Leave that for 2 minutes. Then I'll put my egg and my scotch bonnet. I want to taste the freshness of the pepper, so I'll put the pepper and the egg last. Alright, that's how it's looking after 2 minutes. I think it's okay. I don't want it to look taste like stew. I want to have that freshness a bit of the tomatoes and the onions. So I don't want it like stew. I just want it like a sauce. So I want a little bit of the tang of the tomatoes. So I'm not going to overcook the tomatoes. 2 minutes, then I'll pour in my eggs. I've mixed 2 eggs together. I'll pour it gently. I don't want to mix it yet because I don't want it looking like scrambled eggs, so I usually leave it a little bit before I gently stir it, very gently stir it, but I'll leave it to solidify a little, because if you mix it now, it mixes in with the tomatoes and it forms a mush. The way it looks, it's not presentable. So I just pour in the egg and don't stir for 30 seconds, then you can stir. Alright, so see, the egg has a bit solidified and I'm just stirring it now. That's it. That's my tomato egg sauce almost done. I'll put the scotch bonnet or whatever pepper you're using, put it last. I like to put it last because, like I said, I want it to taste local, like a Nigerian dish. I want to taste the freshness of the pepper. I don't want it to die down. I want it very spicy and very fresh. So that's mine ready. I'm just gonna turn it off and serve it. See, super easy. 5 minutes. Try it. So the crinkled chips is frying at the same time. That's how you multitask. It's frying the same time the sauce was on. So they are both gonna get ready together. So that's it, ready to go. I'm going upstairs while it's still hot. We've got the chips, tomato egg sauce with a little bit of hot dogs in there. We've got a cup of tea, smoothies, and obviously water with ice. So let's go. Yeah, he's gonna love it. That's me done. I hope you can try this recipe at home and tell me what you think. It's super easy, like I said, even kids can do it. It's just 5 minutes. Do it. Leave a comment in the description box. Tell me how you do yours. If you do it differently, yeah, I'm open to learn from you guys, just like you learn from me. Please subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you. Keep living, loving, and laughing. Take your mind out of the gutter. Yesterday night, if I got back home from work, he has made a 3-course meal. That was one morning I said, you just stay in bed. I'm gonna make you breakfast in bed really fast.